A very good morning to you all. Today we will start with simple future tense. Earlier we have discussed simple present tense and simple past tense. Now it's time to understand simple future tense. Simple future tense is used to refer to actions that will happen in future. That is, we use simple future tense of a verb to express an action that will take place in the time to come, that is, in the future time. This tense is mostly used to give information about a future event. For example, they will play the match tomorrow. We will go to the fair tomorrow. Now there are two patterns in making a sentence in simple future: will and be going to. Now in making a positive simple future statement using will, the pattern is subject plus will plus the base form of the verb. For example, you will buy new shoes. They will attend class tomorrow. Now in a negative sentence, the pattern is subject plus will not or won't plus verb in the base form. Now let us see some examples here and how to change them in a negative sentence. You will buy new shoes. If we use negative sentence, it will become you won't buy new shoes. Next is they will attend class tomorrow. Now its negative sentence would be they won't attend class tomorrow. Now in making a positive simple future statement using be going to, the pattern is subject plus am is are or is mr plus going to plus the base form of the verb. For example, she is going to visit her brother in Canada. Now visit is your base verb here and we have used is and going to. Next sentence is I am going to call her. Now am is used here, going to plus the base form of verb, that is call. Now let's look here again how we form the sentence using will. I plus will plus base form of verb, that is the first form. He, she, it plus will plus V1. You, we, they plus will plus the base form of the verb. Now time expressions with will and be going to. Now these are the time expressions that we use to express something which will happen in future. Soon, tomorrow, in a few days, next month, later, the day after, etc. With the help of these expressions, you will be able to understand that the tense is a future tense.